Welcome to another midweek update video. These videos are for teammates, patrons, sponsors and YouTube members. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. I've just realised I have not changed the time on my clock since the time changed. What an idiot. It is 11:15 in the morning on a Tuesday morning.
Here, tell us, Spastic, what actually was your crime?
Whistling on a Tuesday, Jester.
You bastard!
I know, two things. I've got a lot of editing to do tonight to get this out to you, and I've got to make a new clock. I don't know if you noticed, our sponsors, Robinson's Jewelers, when I do the little thing, the clock's right. I have to edit that every time there's a new time. The things I do. Right, shall we crack on with Dad's Mini Cooper S? Yeah, I have assembled and refurbished the offside suspension on Dad's Mini. I'm happy with that. I mean, I haven't torqued it all down, but it's assembled and I'm happy. I've now stripped down the near side suspension, so I'm going to clean that up, refurbish it and put it back on because I've realised what my priority needs to be, and that is to get the car at least rolling so that I can roll it out of that garage so that I can get another project in there. I'm thinking maybe try and get Bernie in, and then I can put Monty the Mark 1 in the garage where Bernie... Anyway, a massive shuffle around, and because it's nice and sunny, I'm quite happy, you know, to work on Dad's car outside now, rather than hidden away inside a garage. And the problem is, because it's in the garage, it's kind of tight, big car, small garage. Anyway, progress is happening. The Rally Mini. Yeah, I'm still welding up the near side wheel arch on the back. However, I have suffered from a little bit of mission creep. Kevin Blackford and myself, when we were at Jersey, we were talking about how the BMC Works teams had done really cool modifications to their Works rallies, minis, and you could see them at the museum. Which one is it? Is it the Haynes Museum? No. Is it Gayford? No, it's not Gayford. What's it called? Or is it the Gaydon Museum? Yeah, wherever, you can have a proper look at them. And one of the things that they did is they made removable panels on the rear seat bulkhead so that you could remove them and access the bolt that holds the top of the rear shock mount in place. Aha! And of course, now that's going to be an issue with this car. It wasn't a problem before because obviously I had the center mounted fuel tank, so you could just see, you know, you could see where the bolts were and drop the suspension whenever you wanted. But now I can't. I had actually preempted him because when I went to IMM, was it 2019, which was in Bristol, I picked up a pair of these. Check those out, look. No idea what they're off. But I instantly knew that's what I wanted them for, and I was going to use them either on this one or actually on Monty the Mark 1. But I thought, you know what, now's the time to do it, because if I ever want to drop the suspension, I can't. Where's that other bit? Have I chucked it? Probably chucked it. Anyway, I did some practicing using this sort of sign material. And once I was happy that it was going to work, you know, I could actually start using these as templates. So I could put this where I want it. And then this was where I was going to center, I think it was 70mm hole drill bits. Should we go and have a look? Let's turn the lights on. Boo. Let's go hands free. So there you go, look. That has taken an awful lot of work, mainly because, you know, the back the back bulkhead has got these ribs in there, and there was a rib going right down the middle. So obviously I had to flatten that out. And there was the added complication of this little notch here, which had the Deutsch connector plug in it. But now, you know, I can open up the side window, and if I want to get to that shock mount, which is there, look, I can just go, woohoo, no problem, mate. Brilliant, eh? Absolutely brilliant. So it's coming together. We're getting there. We're getting there. I know it is mission creep, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it.
Now, actually, I want you to pay attention because we'll be back after this break.
Monty the Mark 1? Yeah, I've been using Monty an awful lot this week, mainly as my daily driver. We've been taking him to the gym, we're going food shopping in him, and obviously we've been using him just to go out and enjoy the sunny Isle of Wight over the Easter weekend. As I've been out and about and enjoying it, there's lots of people, appreciate seeing Monty the Mark 1, and I've come to an epiphany basically. I mean, it's fine having all these cars, but if you don't use them and enjoy them, then genuinely what is the point in having them, isn't it? So I might as well use him, and I'm glad I am. Donny the Binny Cooper convertible. I totally forgot that the MOT ran out on the 1st of April, and so the day before I remembered just in time, and I thought, oh, I've got to do a few little jobs on them. One of them is the speed sensor on the front near side, because obviously it's got an orange light in the dash, and is it the OBD sensor, so I know exactly what's wrong with it, and it's easy enough to change. And the other one is, I was saying about the handbrake was going really, really high. Turns out that it's one of the brake cables had snapped. So I haven't got it here, but I've got a new sensor to fit. I've got a couple of these cables, which is great. But when I went to take the wheels off, I realised that I couldn't find the adapter for the locking wheel nuts. I hate locking wheel nuts, and I always put them back where they're supposed to be. But this case, obviously I didn't, and I genuinely can't find it. I've looked it everywhere, in my toolboxes, the lot. All I can think is that when I obviously took my gun off, or whatever it is that I was tightening the wheel nuts up with, I must have accidentally left the adapter on the stud, on the wheel nut itself. Obviously we drove down the road and it flew off, and now I've lost it. Absolutely gutted. I don't care about those, the locking nuts. I'm quite happy to ditch them and replace them with standard nuts, so I can change them whenever I want. However, come on, I want some suggestions. How can I get them? I know I can take them to the local garage and those guys will do it. But I'd like to see if I can do it myself, just as a little project. So come on. How can you take off locking wheel nuts in this particular style, DIY style? Future events.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Fast, sharp right. Fast, sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Listen. Sammy, you have to listen to my call, Sammy. Please, I beg you.
Yes, so this weekend I am doing a Hero ERA navigation rally with my mate Glenn Snodden in his MGB GT. I am so looking forward to it. I'm genuinely looking forward to making sure that we stay on the right road, using tulip maps and ordnance surveys and descriptions and all. I'm getting a right geek on with it. The only bit that I'm actually worried about is the timing. You've got to be at certain places at certain times, but every now and again a timing marshal will stop you halfway where you have to recalibrate your time, so that anyway, that's doing my head in. So if you have any advice or top tips for those sort of timing navigation exercises, come on, let me know. I've only got a couple of days before we're off. Alfie update. Merlin's in the back garden, mate. Can you see Merlin? I can see Merlin. You come in the workshop, mate. Oh, look, Merlin. Merlin's coming. Watch out, Merlin's coming. Get in the workshop, mate. Get in the workshop. Merlin's coming. You gonna be friends? Hey? Yeah, exactly. That's my thoughts too. Okay. Oh, look. You don't like Merlin, do you, mate? No, I don't. He's a bully. Oh, Alfie. He's like, where the bloody hell is Alfie gone? So, mate, you're safe. You're refuge of the workshop. Yeah. Yeah, here's my horse. What I couldn't film afterwards was Alfie left here and then basically went and stalked Merlin up at the front. And yeah, it was basically like he did a flanking move on him. And in the end, Merlin gave up and wandered off. So well done, Alfie. Alfie is the alpha male. Even if he hasn't got any balls. Right, the last video I made was of us auto testing in Mark 1 Mini. You know, literally like a vlog version. I'll leave a copy here. And if I have got round to editing the interview with Glenn Studden and his MGB GT, I'll leave it here. If not, there'll be something else. Right, thank you very much. I really do appreciate your support, and I will see you next week after our rally. Ta-ta for now. Here's my horse. Cheers, mate.